My name is Aditya Ganpat Raju. I have finished my bachelor's in Amrita University. I've finished my BTech in mechanical engineering. I'm a 2020 pass out. Currently, from the past 5 months, I'm pursuing a master's certification course from Skilling in CFD domain. I have finished 3 modules, and currently I'm working on the 4th module now. Yeah, I have worked on various projects actually. So when it comes to MATLAB and OpenFOAM, I have worked on supersonic nozzle simulation, and when it comes to Converge, I have worked on port fuel injection simulation and even emission characteristics of a CAT engine. And after that, last month I have worked on Star CCM, where I have worked on Ahmed body simulation. Basically, I have joined Skillink in the month of April. We were in a pandemic situation and we cannot move out of the house or something. So in that case, I have contacted Skillink and I have got the opportunity during that time. And the basic rule in order to start the internship was I have to finish 3 modules of my CFD course, and I had to then I will be getting an entry into the internship with eXpert learning technology, and from that I have just started the internship one day back, just early, yesterday, and I have got 3 projects in all that from CFD domain. This was my journey till the internship start. The project which I have got for this 1 month to design and simulate a rocket engine for a spacecraft, which is actually a deep and knowledgeable project actually. So I have got project title and the relevant thesis paper from the Skillink, and I have received it yesterday. So I have started reading it, and till now I have gone through various websites. I have gone through a NASA page, official website, and I have gone through various YouTube website, YouTube videos. And I have started learning things, and I have started to put up a proper structure in order to start my internship, in order to finish this project. Currently I'm going through theoretical part and the ways to design my model. So currently this is what it's going on. When it comes to the course, I have actually worked with 2 support engineers specifically for the MATLAB and OpenFOAM. I had Yukesh sir, Star CCM, and Converge. I have worked with Harikiran sir. I never had an issue where I was stuck up, because whenever I had an issue, I could contact them at that moment only, and I would get a proper reply. And even Harikiran sir was really good with his technical support and everything. So currently, even for my internship as well, he is my support person where I can get in touch with him during the internship. So there were actually situations when I was working in my Converge studio, advanced ice engine simulation module. There were various parts, places where I was I had hard time doing it. I had a hard time working in emission characteristics, and because there were various issues even technically. So Harikiran sir actually helped me a lot regarding that. And even when I was doing my project in Star CCM, the flow over Ahmed body, sir have helped me day and night. He used to help me even at late nights, even at 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock. So he used to reply me, and he used to get in touch with me when I was working on that project. I used to get a proper reply, and I used to get proper support every time. And even during the internship as well, I have contacted Srinivas sir, from Skillink. So he was the one who was helping me from the beginning, from the October 1st. Actually the internship date was from October 1st, so I thought it would start by October 1st. So I've been contacting him regularly. So he used to help me daily, and he used to update me. Till yesterday, I had no issue with anything, because the work was going proper way. So I never had any issue, that deep issues or problems till now. My project is basically thesis paper which I have got was actually in order to propel a spacecraft in vacuum actually in the space. So like there were few parameters which they have worked actually. So people or the respected person who have worked on that project actually, they have clearly specified various parameters like the length of the combustion chamber and parallel input of fuel intake actually. So they have clearly explained the variations of the length of the combustion chambers, the temperature distribution, and actually the main aim was to reduce the burnout inside the chamber. So like it was actually to reduce the high amount of temperature which has been generated, so that the efficiency will be really good. And even it was actually to simulate it using computational fluid dynamics, not in complete reality, but it was actually to do it using CFD. So they have worked on numerous techniques, and they have tried it numerous like in n number of ways in order to get to that result actually. But in the paper they have basically given only around 4 to 5 steps. Like they haven't completely given everything, but they have given around 4 to 5 simulation results which they have done. But theory that and the description which they have written, actually there we can see that they have worked almost like n number of times and with different conditions to arrive at that. So they finally like they have obtained a result where that engine can provide around 25 newtons of torque in the space, which is with 459 or something specific impulse value. It was actually regarding that. My thing is to simulate it completely from the scratch, start the simulation, design it and simulate it completely from the scratch actually. And being a like I properly don't have a complete idea regarding that, so I'm actually starting it from scratch, and I think I'll do it. Yeah, really, because like my core interest is working with internal combustion engines. So that is like the core interest, and like that is the main reason why I have chosen this. Because when like this project was actually chosen by me, like I have chosen the project like as my as for my interest. I'm more fascinated to do this. I hope that I'll get into some new results which is not in the paper, so that that would be really helpful for my career.